The French military used boxcars called 40 and 8s to transport goods and soldiers, first in World War I and again in World War II. The boxcars could hold 40 men or 8 horses, hence the name. This is designated in French on the cars 4 hommes, 8 chevaux. Sadly, the Germans also used similar 40 and 8s to transport POWs and civilians to concentration camps during World War II. After World War II, the U.S. sent 700 boxcars full of relief materials to war-torn Europe. In appreciation, the people of France responded with the Merci Train. 40 and 8 boxcars filled with gifts were sent to each state in 1949. The cars held gifts collected from the people of France, such as wine, clothing, and art, furniture, decoratives, and even thank you letters from children. France adored each boxcar with coats of arms of the French provinces. Louisiana's Merci Train boxcar was repaired and repainted in 1999. Missing coats of arms were recreated, and at that time a mistake made in the spelling of one French province. Can you spot it? The symbol of the Merci Train features a steam engine with flowers that are symbolic of Flanders Field, where many American doughboys from World War I are buried. A plaque featuring this drawing was placed on each of the Merci Train boxcars. The Louisiana boxcar of the Merci Train from France, expressing the gratitude of that nation, presented by Consul General Lionel Gasset to Governor Earl K. Long on February 22, 1949, in appreciation of the generosity of the American people, dedicated on these grounds by the Old State Capitol Memorial Commission on 12 June 1949 by Drew Pearson.